Welcome back to Mr.YouWho. Andy here, and I'm really excited to have you back again. So today we're continuing our series of watch reviews, but today it's going to be a little bit different. Today we're going to be looking at wooden watch reviews. In particular, we're going to be looking at whether these watches are any good, how well they wear, and finally, whether you, as a Mr.YouWho viewer, should purchase them. Now, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know about your thoughts on the video. And as always, we'll have links in below if you wish to purchase what we showed today. Now time to jump into the review of our modern watch review at Mr.YouWho. Now, making a watch made of wood, taking a watch that should look like this, but making it out of this, yes, it does seem a little bit crazy. I mean, is it comfortable? Does it look good? And how does it actually wear? Well, in fact, wooden watches have been around for many years. Surprisingly, wooden watches have become a lot more popular in recent times. This in particular because of changing fashion tastes, but also the sustainable part of them. So in this wooden watch review, we'll explore some of the different types of wooden watches that are available out there. These include digital, LED, some are a mixture of digital and stainless steel combined. And some of them you can actually carve your name or your photo in them. Actually, quite nice having a photo of me in a watch. Anyway, so before we go into a bit of detail about wooden watches, let's dive in and have a look at one of these watches in action. The first one we'll look at is from Bobo Bird, the manufacturer. Now, I really like Bobo Bird watches. Again, these are handmade in China. But the great thing, the different types of watches they have available, they've got quite a broad range. And also generally their reviews have been quite positive of the watches. So now it's time to have a look at the watch. Now, as you can see here, looking at the watch, it really is a beautiful watch. Now, that band is called zebra wood, which is a mixture of different types of woods put together. It also has your date, your calendar on there, and it also made a quartz timing piece in place. But can you see how nice it looks? How it really shines off the glass. The watch only weighs 39 grams as well, so it's very, very light. And the band's completely adjustable as well, so you can adjust it depending on your size. We suggest using lemon or orange oil extract to keep the watch in check as well. But it really is a lovely watch. And it also comes in a very nice display box. Hello again. So with these watches, I also like how they come in their own gift box. It actually looks really nice. It adds a bit of luxury feel to the watches. These watches also have very good reviews online, which also reinforces how nice these watches are. So yeah, check it out, have a look, and let me know what you think. So now for something completely different. Have you ever wondered how these watches are made? Well, here is a video of how they are produced, some of these kind of watches. Now, it's a basic watch, but it kind of gives you an idea about what's involved in doing it. So let me know what you think, and make sure you subscribe and like the video. Now, the great thing about wooden watches is they're a lot more eco-friendly and at times are made of sustainable material. So there's a few things I like about it. Firstly, hypoallergenic. Now, if you have allergies to certain types of materials, such as silicon or metal, that can be really good for you and stop you from reacting. Secondly, is they're lightweight. So generally wood watches are much more lighter weight than their counterparts, which is great if you don't like heavy watch. In previous reviews, some of the watches I've reviewed have been up over 150 grams. Thirdly, they also have a very unique look and have their own design. Because they're carved out of wood as well, they look quite special. So now next wood watch I'd like to have a look at is the Bobo Watch S18. So here we go. Now this next watch is a Bobo Bird S18, and as you can see, what a gorgeous watch it is. It's made from 100% natural wood and utilize the eco-friendly design. It's also got Japanese quartz and uses a mixture of 3 different types of woods, such as zebra wood, olive, and ebony. Digital time, calendar keeping as well. I really like this watch as well. It's quite nice. It's very beautiful, lots of positive reviews. Now, as you can see, there are literally dozens of different types of wooden watches out there. But what are the downsides? Are there any? Well, for one, they're not as durable as other watches. So whereas metal and silicon watches may last, potentially 10, 15 years, 20 years even, wooden watches generally won't go past a few to several years. Now, that doesn't mean if you don't look after it, it won't stand the test of time, but wood itself deteriorates. So, although wooden houses do last longer. But yeah, so look out for it if you want something that's very heavy kind of duty. That being said, though, if you look after it, you can get several years out of the watch. So I wouldn't be too concerned. The second one is if you like a bit of sport, it's not really suitable for running, swimming, or physical sports like that. I'll take it off if you're doing sports, and possibly if you go in the shower, maybe take it off there as well. Yeah. So now let's have a look at the final Mr.YouWho verdict. Well, wood watches are comfortable. They're stylish, they're good for the environment, and they're still very unique. I mean, how many people do you know who have a wooden watch? I'll at least have one of these at least in my watch collection. And they really are a good talking point when I'm out. So again, thank you for watching us here at Mr.YouWho. Thank you for watching our wooden watch review. Please let us know in comments below, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also click on the playlist for other Mr.YouWho watch videos. And once again, thank you for watching at Mr.YouWho.